In today's video, I will teach you how to brighten photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. If your photo looks too dark, you can easily brighten it in Lightroom while maintaining natural contrast and detail. And here's how to do it step by step. The first step is increasing exposure and adjusting the highlights. To do this, open the Develop module, and in the Basic panel, you can increase the exposure to 0.5 to 1.5 to brighten the entire image. And for highlights, you can reduce it up to -10 if the bright areas are too harsh, or increase it to 10. And for shadows, you can adjust it to 10 to 50 to help lift dark areas without overexposing. If your image looks too washed out, you can adjust the black and contrast next. The second step is adjusting whites and blacks for balance. Start by increasing the whites to around 10 to 30 to boost brightness. Then lower the blacks to -10 to -30 to keep contrast and prevent a faded look. This ensures the image stays crisp and not overly flat. The third step is fine-tuning with a tone curve. To do this, go to the Tone Curve panel and lift the midtone slightly for a balanced brightening effect, and adjust the shadows and highlights as needed. A subtle S-curve helps add brightness while keeping depth. The fourth step is using masking for targeted brightening. If only certain areas need brightening, click on Masking or simply press M on your keyboard. Then either use the subject or brush mask. Then paint over the areas that need lightening. Then increase the exposure, shadows, and whites as needed. This is great for fixing dark faces or specific areas without affecting the whole photo. And the fifth step is adding warmth and softness. To do this, increase the temperature to around 5 to 10 for a sunlit effect. Then adjust the vibrance at around 5 to 15 to keep colors rich. A slightly warm tone prevents the photo from looking too cool or washed out. And for final touches for a natural bright look, you can use a radial gradient or simply press Shift-M on your keyboard and use it to add brightness to the subject. Then add a slight vignette at around -5 to -15 to keep focus on the brightened area. By following these steps, you can brighten any photo in Lightroom while keeping details and contrast intact. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.